was actually my dad who came up with the suggestion of the robot lawnmowers. He'd looked into them, did a wee bit of investigating online, found out Husqvarna's the top of the pack. My name's Sam Kane, I'm a professional rugby player, and obviously with that, spend a wee bit of time away from home. We're only recently moved out here. We built this home just on a year ago now. Probably it's taken a little bit longer than anticipated to get the landscaping all up to speed. The grass is relatively new, put it down just towards the back end of spring, and it's come up really good. The next job is maintaining it. I had a ride-on lawnmower, but so time consuming and such little time at home. The time that I do have at home, I want to be sort of doing the things that I want to be doing. I want to get out and play golf or go hunting or spend some time with my wife Harriet. Everything I've seen, they do a great job. I can't wait to see what they can produce.